this is Alia Naeem. I cover power and fertilizer sectors at AKD Research. Today we are going to talk about a recent news in the fertilizer sector. Apparently, the fertilizer players have approached the government to extend the timeline of GIDC payments. To give a background, Supreme Court announced a verdict on 14th August 2020, whereby it directed the companies to pay back all of the GIDC amount to the government within a period of 2 years, and these payments would start happening from August. Now, the fertilizer players have approached the government and they have asked some leniency in this verdict. They have asked the government to allow them to pay these dues over 10 years instead of Supreme Court's verdict of 2 years. So if we look at the liquidity situation of these companies, we see that FFC and EFERT are in a very comfortable position. They can easily pay 80% of their GIDC overdues if we look at their short-term investments and cash available. However, if we look at FFBL and its balance sheet, the company has been bearing operational losses since past 2 years. Moreover, it has invested in some loss-making ventures, which includes 4G Meat and 4G Foods Limited. Therefore, the balance sheet is in a very precarious situation. Its debt to equity is at 15.2 times, and even if you look at the cash position, it's not healthy. Therefore, we think that FFBL may feel some sort of issues if it wants to pay back all of the GIDC amount within the 2 years time frame. We think approximately 3 to 4 years of extension would be required by the fertilizer players to comfortably pay back the GIDC overdues. If the government agrees to it, it would be a great benefit for all of the fertilizer players, especially FFBL. So if we come over to the conclusion, I think we should stick to the safer bets. The safer bet in fertilizer sector is currently FFC, which is very comfortable given its liquidity position. And even if the government does not agree to extend the timeline, it can easily pay back all of the GIDC overdues. For further details, you can also refer to our report, which we have published in this last week over this topic only. And if you want to continue to watch more content like this, please follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.